Have you ever spent hours on crafting the perfect 3D scene only to feel like something's still missing? That's because no matter how good your scene is, it just won't look right without proper color grading. That's what I realized last week while struggling to get a true cinematic look. I tried different techniques, watched a ton of tutorials, but it was taking too long to get the cinematic look until I found Dehancer. Dehancer is a DaVinci Resolve plugin that instantly gives your render a film-like look. It has a couple of impressive features like halation, film grain, and bloom. All these features add a premium and organic feel to any video. And then there's film print emulation. It will make your render look like it was shot on a real film with just one click. Now, I won't lie, Dehancer isn't cheap. You could literally get a year of Houdini and Maya for the same price. But if you're serious about the cinematic look, it's totally worth it. If you plan to purchase Dehancer, here's a little gift from me. Use the promo code Scarit to get a 10% discount. Try it out and share your thoughts on Dehancer.